During operation, we may see an error code on the digital display. In this video, we will discuss some of the common error codes you may encounter and how you can fix it. Let's begin. If you see a U11 error display, it means that your machine is unable to drain or there is abnormality in the drain hose. Check that the drain hose is not hooked, clogged and/or elevated by over 10 centimeters. Lastly, drain hose should not be tipped underwater and not be more than 3 meters long with the extension hose. U12 error display happens when the lid was opened during rinse or spin operation. Simply close the lid to resume operation. The U13 error message appears when the machine is not properly leveled or balanced. It could also be due to insufficient or excessive clothing, as well as improper placement. To resolve this, check the leveler and make sure that the bubble is at the center. If not, use the adjustable legs to move the bubble to the center. As for the clothes, ensure that it is properly placed inside the tub. It is also important to keep a 30% height clearance from the top of the tub. When there is low water pressure or a clogged supply filter, the U14 error display appears. To fix this, check if the water faucet is turned on or clean the water supply filter. Reinstall the hose, then turn on the faucet. Open and close the lid to restart operation. U15 error appears on the display panel when the machine cannot drain during drying operation due to issues on the drain hose. To resolve this, turn off the machine and check if the drain hose is not underwater. Remove and clean the drain hose. Reattach the hose, then restart the machine. Thank you for watching.
Panasonic.